Video is about androgenic system. In androgenic system, first we should go through androgenic transmission. What do you mean by this transmission? Actually, how or what is in this androgenic system? The androgenic transmission is restricted to sympathetic. What is sympathetic? Actually, this is sympathetic division of ANS, autonomic nervous system. But what is sympathetic? Sympathetic is related to emotion, behavior, and such other things. So the part of ANS which caters or takes care about sympathetic division, sympathetic reactions of a body are controlled by autonomic nervous system. So in androgenic transmission we have three things, or basically three hormones. We'll learn by short form NA, EDR and DA. So NA is noradrenaline. This is adrenaline and dopamine. These all are catecholamines. First, we should know how catecholamines are synthesized. So these are synthesized from amino acid phenylalanine, and this process of formation of catecholamines from amino acid phenylalanine can be inhibited by alpha methyl p-tyrosine. So what is the use of this inhibition? There is a disease called pheochromocytoma. This disease is the tumor of hormone. Actually, not tumor of hormone, hormone releasing tumor. It is a kind of tumor in which this tumor is releasing false hormones, these catecholamines, on excessive rate, and so we need this inhibition by alpha methyl p-tyrosine. This is used in surgery before pheochromocytoma. Now next comes is, what are the uses, what are the functions of noradrenaline, adrenaline and dopamine. Noradrenaline is transmitter. Noradrenaline is transmitter at postganglionic sympathetic sites, vasodilator, what is then the use of adrenaline? So the function of adrenaline is basically transmission in brain. And dopamine in basal ganglia, limbic system, and peripheral also, limited manner in periphery. So periphery but limited. Now our concern is where the catecholamines, these hormones, are stored. So these hormones are stored in some androgenic nerves. There are some androgenic nerves. On the terminal of such nerves, you must be knowing there are terminal buttons on the nerve endings, and here we have seminal vesicles. So in seminal vesicles of androgenic nerves, these are stored.